Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out whether the installed Android apps or games are updated to latest Android OS version. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, search for one application named as SDK Monitor by Barna Ferrari, and here you can see below its developer website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now here you will see releases. Just click on it. Now scroll down below again. Now just click on this sdkmonitor.apk. So you need to download this apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open. Click on install. Now just click on open. Wait for a few seconds. It's scanning for all the installed apps. So now you can see on the right side it's showing the Android OS version. So you can see here, that means say if I click on this application name as Amazon, so here you can see the target SDK, that is the Android 15. So this application has been updated to the Android 15 and the minimum SDK, as you can see, is the Android 5 version. So let's move back. Now you can see the different apps has different Android OS version. That means some apps are not being updated after the respective Android version. As you can see, some applications they are only updated till the Android 13, which is older Android OS versions, and some applications has been updated to the latest Android 16. So you can see here. So now if you click on the settings, you can see here the SDK analytics. So you can see here how many apps has been updated to Android 16, how many apps has been updated to Android 15, and how many apps has not been updated from the respective Android OS version. So you can see clearly here. So by using this application named as SDK Monitor, you can easily find out whether the installed Android apps or games are updated to latest Android OS versions or not very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.